But no, you have to, because that is the state order. So similarly, as the law means state order, similarly religion means God's order. That's all. Simple definition. Dharmanta. It is not that we have manufactured. It is stated. Dharmanta sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Nobody knows what is dharma. Neither the human being nor the demigods, nor big sages, saintly personal, whatever you say, philosopher. No, nobody knows what is religion. Dharmasya tattvam nihitam guhaya mahajana jena gadasya pantha. Mahajana means those who are authorized person by God, one who knows what is the law of God. He is Mahajan. He Mahajan. So, Guru is Mahajan because he knows what is religion and what is the law given by God. Therefore he is Mahajan. How he has become Mahajan? Because he is following the previous Mahajan, that's all. It is not difficult. Evang parampara praptam evang rajatsayo vidu. So Mahajana, our therefore Sampradaya. Just like we are Madhya Gauriya Sampradaya, Madhyacharya, or Brahma Sampradaya. We are following Brahma is Mahajan. There are 12 Mahajans stated in the Shastras, and Brahma is one of them. Swayambhu, Brahma's name is Swayambhu. The other day we were discussing Swayambhu, or Atmabhu, because he is born out of the abdomen of the father, not of the mother. Not the other. Father is the seed-giving, life-giving agent. So this life was not transferred to anyone else to take the body. The life-giver Father gave him the body. Therefore, Brahma is called Swayambhu. Swayambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Kapila, Manu, Kumara, they are all Mahajans. So, Dharma means the codes or the law given by God. That is Dharma. And our life is meant for Dharma. Dharma. But unfortunately we have created so many dharmas. But there cannot be so many dharmas. There cannot. Suppose gold is gold, pure gold. There cannot be, just like they have made 20 karat gold, 14 karat gold, 16 karat gold. That is mixture. That is not pure gold. We are preaching, if you say it is religion, it is pure religion, not correct. 14 karat religions or 20 karat religion, no. Real, pure religion. What is that pure religion? Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam. We are teaching just surrender to Krishna. Krishna consciousness. That is pure religion. Original gold, no karat gold. Therefore, our Vrindavan Das Thakur has said very clearly, Prithivite jaha kichu dharma name chole. Whatever is going on all over the world in the name of dharma, Bhagavat kahe taha paripurna chole. According to the opinion of Srimad Bhagavatam, all this rascaldom is simply cheating. Now if we say that, everyone will be rebellious. But that is the fact. Because if dharma means the order of God, then what is God's order? That you become my devotee. Manmana bhava madbhakta madhyajimang namu. 4 things. You always think of me, and you become my devotee. You offer your obeisances, manmana bhava madbhakta, and worship me. So we are teaching this real religion. Here is deity, Krishna. So we are thinking of Krishna, Hare Krishna. We are worshipping deity, Krishna. There is no difference between Lord Krishna and deity, Krishna. And we are offering obeisances. So therefore it is real religion. Because we are strictly following the laws of God. Annavilasita, we have no other business. So therefore, this is real religion. If you take, or real culture, real society, everything real. Because God is real. Anything in connection with God, according to His instruction, that is real. All other things are imitation. So always remember that if somebody takes us as religionist, yes, we are religionist, but pure religionist. If somebody says socialist, we are pure socialist. If somebody says we are diplomats, yes, we are pure politicians. What is pure politician? Politics requires violence. So, annihilate the demons and give protection. The politics mean 2 things. The state, government, what is that? Government gives protection to the good citizen, and those are rogues, punish them. Law and order. 2 things are there. Maintenance and law and order. So similarly, our Krishna consciousness is also the same thing. But so far we are concerned because we are not in political power. Otherwise we would have followed the principles of Krishna. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has shown us the way that we kill the demons in a different way. We kill the demons in this way by chanting Hare Krishna mantra. We purify him so that his demonic activities are stopped. That is also another way of killing. He stops his demonic activities. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, that he did not kill Jagai Madhai, although he wanted to kill them, because they insulted Vaishnava. But still, Nityananda Prabhu reminded him that in this incarnation you promise that you will not kill, so have merciful upon them. So their demonic activities were killed. That is also killed. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted Jagai Madhai on this condition that you have to stop your sinful activities. Whatever you have done, that is done. So we make this condition. The demonic activities, we say you have to stop. Whatever is done is done. Strictly following Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is no consideration. Because you are previously a demon, therefore you cannot become a Vaishnava. No. Anyone can become Vaishnava, provided he stops his demonic activities. Anyone. Anyone is welcome. Provided he accepts this philosophy, sarvadharman parityajya mamekang saranam bhaja. So this is the way. That Kunti is praying that snehopasam imam dirham chindi. So in this way we can get rid of the so-called affection for society, friendship, love, country, nationalism. No. Our sneha, affection, is completely transferred to Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much.